In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit Google Docs table. By the end, you'll know how to add, format, resize, reorganize, and style a table so your document looks clean and professional. Let's begin by inserting a table if you don't already have one. Open your document in Google Docs, go to the Insert menu, choose Table, and then pick the number of rows and columns you want. Google Docs supports tables up to 20 by 20, so you have plenty of room to work with. If you're unsure how big to start, choose something small. You can always adjust it as you go. Once your table is in place, you can add more rows or columns anytime. Right-click inside any cell, then choose Insert Row above or Insert Row below to grow vertically, or Insert Column left or Insert Column right to expand horizontally. These are standard documented options in Google Docs, and they update the layout instantly. If you need to remove parts of the table, right-click a cell and select Delete Row or Delete Column. To remove the entire table at once, choose Delete Table. Don't worry, if you make a mistake, use Undo to bring it back. Resizing is simple and very visual. Hover over the border of a row or column until you see the double arrow cursor, then click and drag to the size you need. For a tidy, balanced look, right-click the table and choose Distribute Rows or Distribute Columns to make everything equal in height or width. Styling the table helps information stand out. Select specific cells or the whole table, then use the toolbar to change border color, border width, and border style. To shade cells, select them and click the Fill Color button to apply a background color. Consistent colors and line thickness give your table a polished finish. To combine information across cells, highlight multiple cells and right-click Merge Cells. If you need to break a cell apart later, right-click it, select Split Cell, and choose how many rows and columns you want inside that space. Reordering is quick with drag and drop. Hover near the left edge of a row until the Move handle appears, then drag the row up or down. For columns, hover at the top of the column and drag left or right. This is great for prioritizing content without retyping. For long tables, keep your headings visible by right-clicking a row and choosing Pin Header Row. The header will repeat across pages, making your data easier to read. Finally, to organize your data, right-click the table and choose Sort Ascending or Sort Descending. It's a fast way to bring order to lists and comparisons. That's it. Clean, clear, and fully under your control.